Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today I wanted to go ahead and show you how to get leftover adhesive or glue residue from decals or mods off of your car. If you'll remember a couple of videos back, I went ahead and put a universal spoiler little lip on the trunk of my Optima because I couldn't find a good spoiler that I wanted to put on there. But recently a company has come out with a nice ducktail that I want to go ahead and put on there. So I took the old lip off, but being here in the Texas heat, the adhesive just baked itself into the paint a little bit, or onto the top of the paint. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get adhesive like that or glue off if you've removed a decal or a mod and you've got some weird smudges on your paint that you want to get off. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alrighty, here you can see the lines from where the spoiler used to sit and where the adhesive is just kind of baked itself onto the trunk. So what we're going to do is use some of this turtle wax label and sticker remover and see if we can get that off of there. Alright, we're going to take our can and give it a gentle shake and then go ahead and start applying. And then we're going to leave this sit on here for about a minute so that it can break down all those sticky particles and whatnot from the old adhesive. And now we're going to go ahead and take a dry microfiber towel and just wipe it all off. Alrighty, and as you can see, those lines are pretty much gone completely. Now, if you have some that's really stuck on there, you can go ahead and do another coat, leave it for a minute and wipe it down some more. But I think we got pretty much all of that off of there. If you're like me and you constantly like changing up your decals, this stuff is a must-have. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the adhesive remover, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. I'll also be leaving a link in the description for some of this below if you want to go ahead and pick some up for yourself. Again, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.